Hello everyone, so as you just saw, in this video I'll be giving you guys 5 things that are hidden features within this Honda Civic Si right behind me, and this also goes for all of the 11th gen Honda Civics out there. And I don't want to make the intro super long, so without any more talking, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you just saw, I opened up all of the windows in my car, including the sunroof. As you can see, they're all open. However, let's say you accidentally clicked on that button, right? You're sitting down on the couch watching TV and you accidentally do this and you don't realize till the morning, right? There's one thing you can actually do to stop this. You can disable this option, and then when you, let's say, click it twice and hold it, it will not open up all the windows. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So first thing, you gotta get into the car. You're gonna start up the car. So all you gotta do to actually disable that is go to vehicle settings, and then you're gonna go to window and door setup. And as you can see right here, you have remote window control. If you click on that, it tells you that by the second time of clicking a button within 10 seconds, it's gonna open everything up. And as you just saw, I did. So in order to disable that, all you gotta do is very straightforward, just click off. And now it's changed. So now when you double click the key fob, it will not open up all the windows. So yeah, that'll be it for number 1. Oh yeah, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We are trying to reach the goal of 500 subs by the end of this month, or I would say around October 9th, and I'll tell you guys at the end of the video why I said that. So yeah, subscribe. So let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so now we have number 2, and that is the car idling. And I'm stepping away so you don't hear all of the excessive car noise. But what that is essentially, let's say you're going to the store, right, and your mom's in the passenger seat waiting for you. After 20 minutes, the car is going to turn off automatically, since the car is made like that, not sure why. And there's actually something that you can do that's gonna stop that. Let me show you that right now. So let's go back to the car. Okay, so we're gonna open up the car, and this is very funny. So all you gotta do is take the seatbelt, extend it, and put it in. And now the car is gonna think that you're still there even though you're not sitting down, and it will not turn the car off anymore. The person can be in there for literally an hour, the car is not going to turn off. So that is another thing that I love about this car. It's super cool, it's very unique. Not a lot of cars have this. I mean, this car, the Honda Civics, the 11th generation Civics, have so many things you can do to them, including this one, and it's honestly really cool. It's a small thing and it's definitely useful, and I've used it multiple times. So yeah, now let's get into the third thing. So now for the third thing, we have manually opening up the car and the trunk. So let's say you're in a scenario where your battery dies in your car. So there's actually a way to go around that, and let me show you that right now. So you're gonna get your key, and then you're going to click on this button right here and pull it out. Now you may be asking, well, what is this for? So I know it's not showing, right? There's nothing over here. However, when you pull this up, there's a little place right there where you can insert the key. So you're gonna do that, right? And then, like I said, your battery's dead, you can't get into the back. Go over here, open up the handle, open the door up. Now we're gonna get in from the back. And right over here, you have this little thing. And this key that we had earlier, you can also use it to put it in right here, lift it up, crack it open. And there's a little string right here. All you gotta do, pull it, and as you just heard, the trunk is all opened up. So let's get to the back. There we have it. The trunk is all open. So that's how you can get access to your whole entire car without even having a battery. And that's really, really cool, because if you're like stranded or something and you really need to get some stuff out of the back or whatever, there's always a way. So that's another cool thing that these 11th gen Civics have. Alright, so let me close everything back up. Now for the fourth thing, we have lowering and raising the volume of your turn signals and warnings. So this one I've actually learned not long ago. So you get into your car, obviously, close the door, start it up, click OK. So what we do here is we click on vehicle settings again like we did earlier. You're gonna click on meter setup this time, and then you're gonna click on adjust alarm volume, and then click it. So it says change volume level of all system warnings, door opening warning, and turn signal. So that's what I just told you. And here, let me open up the window so you can hear everything better. Let's click on low. And I'm gonna use it. That's pretty quiet. And now, let's click on high. And we're gonna use it again. That is a lot louder. So yeah, I think that was pretty cool. Let's say you don't want to listen to annoying Siri, or maybe not Siri, but like your seatbelt alarm or door signals or check engine light warnings, whatever it may be. Just click on low, and then it's not gonna be as noisy and you won't have to deal with it as much. So that's another cool little feature that I like about this car. And a little bonus, this car also has one thing that I haven't seen like any cars have, previous cars that I've owned, and let me show you what I mean. So this thing right here, as you can see, you have like a little brightness level setting gear thingy, whatever. All you gotta do is go up and down with it, and it's gonna tell you brightness. You can make it all the way down, so it's gonna be extremely dark in your car, and then if you put it all the way up, it's super bright. And this also goes for all of these things, your adjustment for AC or whatever, these, this, literally everything in the car. And once again, a little bonus point, I kind of wanted to add that in because it's super cool. I use it a lot, and yeah. So now let's get into the last and final point. So for number 5, we have hidden gas cap and funnel to fill up your car if the battery dies. And what I told you guys earlier, you're gonna have to get the key, open this up, open the back up, and then the trunk. And once the trunk is open, right? So when you open up the trunk, you're gonna have to get down into it. And as you can see up here, you have this little string. All you gotta do is pull it. And then after you pull it, all you're gonna do is click on it, and it's gonna open up all for you right here. And as you can see, you won't be able to, you know, pour gasoline if you have it in a bottle or something. You won't be able to just do this and pour it in because it's gonna spill and get everywhere. And now this is where the funnel comes in. So you're gonna open this part up, and then down here, as you can see, you have a funnel that comes with the car. And all you're gonna do is obviously put it in right here. And now you can use a bottle of water, whatever you have, and simply fill it up. So this is another great feature if you're stranded, and that's how you get access into the car. And so that'll be it for the video, guys. So I just told you the 5 hidden features that I simply love about this car. They make a big difference in the scenarios that I showed you in the video. If you ever need to use them, now you can. And also, if you're an owner of one of these cars, you want to know a lot of hidden things about them, right? You don't want to have a car where you don't know half the things that it can actually do. So I'll try and make another updated video version similar to this one, where I give you guys even more hidden features. I'm gonna aim for 10 to 15 at least, so you're gonna definitely be seeing a longer video coming back from me. But once again, if you haven't already, subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. I'm trying to get to over 500 subs within the next month, because Ocean City Cruise Week is coming up, I think on October 9th to the 11th, and I'm definitely going to be dropping a big video when I'm going to go down there with my cousin and, you know, my family. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, once again, like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great day, stay safe, and don't do anything stupid.